playing their third match. So I request one player from team Leap Titans to come in the commentary box for the scoring rituals. I request one extra player, one representative from the batting team to come in the commentary box. Umpires are ready. Fielders are ready. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game on. Rahul to start the proceedings. Looking to play onside, went offside. I request one player from Leap Titans batting team to contact the scorer for the scoring rituals. Is that okay? All set, looking to swing the bat across the line. She missed it. We have Gitanjali on strike. So with Gitanjali, we have Elango. And Rahul Matre started the proceedings, and that's gone wicket here. Catch taken by Akash. Bowled Rahul. तीन तीन गेंद एक रन एक विकेट. Leap Titans. Muthu Vijay comes down to the center. Excellent bowling. Waited for the ball. He was looking to play onside. Hitting on his body. Excellent start from Rahul. Only one run conceded in 4 balls. मात्र एक रन दिया है और विकेट मिला है. Looking to play for big one. He's got that inside edge. Went towards square leg for a single only. So he's bowling good line and length. Not giving much room for the batter to hit. Only a single. Last ball coming up of the first over. That's hit hard. Very good stop there, but bit of misfield. Will they come back for 2? Send back. End of the over. 1 was gone. 3 for 1. Leap Titans. So the second match of day 4. Clean Max taking up with Leap Titans. News from the center. Clean Max won the toss. Elected to field first. They invited Leap Titans to bat. आप करिए बैटिंग, हम करेंगे चेस. देखना होगा कौन जीतेगा इस मैच का रेस. Let's see, we have Elango and Muthu Vijay. This pair would be dangerous. Or let's see, Akash will bowl the second over. He will prove himself a dangerous. Let's see. That's a rocket launch shot, but only a single as per the rule book. Signaling that 1 run by umpire Mr. Deva sir. Now joining. And we have square leg umpire, Mr. Jitendra. It's time to shine here. Let's see. Muthu Vijay on strike. That's played straight. Very good stop. Excellent timing. Very well played. Straight as an arrow. But excellent stop there at long on. Yet another single. एक दशमलव दो पांच पर एक लीप टाइटंस. That's hit hard at long on. Only a single is very good bowling. And look at his bowling style. That shows how experienced he plays that regular tennis ball cricket. 1.36 पर एक लीप टाइटंस का स्कोर. Looking to connect. Played at square leg. There's a backup fielder. Good stop, good work. 7 for 1, 1.4. धीरे धीरे हौले हौले रन्स बन रहे हैं on the scoreboard. Swing and a miss. Looking to play for big one. Oh, the ball just passing. Very close to the stumps. Excellent bowling. Only 4 runs conceded in 5 balls by Akash. तो अच्छी शुरुआत यहाँ पर रही है. टॉस जीतने के बाद क्लीन मैक्स ने लिया है फील्डिंग. Oh, that's clever. Slow release. And they're going for one more run. And is, yes, referred to the third umpire. Square leg umpire, Mr. Jitendra referring to the third umpire. You can see on the big screen here. They will check the contact. अब यहाँ पर निर्णय होगा सीधे. Is that out? Okay, that's given out or no? Okay, that is out, or still they have some question? They have a question. And let the third umpire decide it. Oh, that's out. Given the final confirmation is on. 8 for 2. 2 ओवर के बाद 8 पे 2. Leap Titans. Excellent work there by Ashutosh. Good throw there. And this is what the fielding quality is needed. Keep an eye on the where the batsman is there out of the crease, taking their advantage. And let's see, we'll bowl the next over. 2 over के बाद 8 पे 2 is that new bowler Atish. He's one of the hero of Clean Max. Batting, bowling, दोनों भारी. That's played straight, going back foot. But only a single. That's hit hard. New batter, Dina. Dina and Elango. That's connected well, but just he didn't get that Distance and long off fielder makes no mistake. That's gone. Wicket fall. और एक विकेट की बदन. बेहतरीन फील्डिंग परफॉर्मेंस. Brilliant work in the deep. Saved square foot footage right at the boundary line. 2.2 9 पे 3. Leap Titans losing their momentum. And good caught by Ratik. Balakrishnan, the new batter, joining the party. Oh, that's a gentle slide touch. हल्के हाथों से खेल दिया है. एक रन चुरा लिया. 2.3 indeed. 10 for 3. 2.3 10 for 3. Let's see. This partnership need a big partnership here for Team Leap Titans. Only 2 runs so far by Atish. 3 balls bowled, 1 wicket. Oh, that's connected well high in the air. 2 fielders there, but very well balanced catch. But umpire will check, or is that out? Yes, OUT. Excellent. Brilliant work in the deep. Excellent effort. Look at the balance. Look at the balance. That's what we call preventive inspection before damage occurs. Wicket number 4. लीप टाइटंस को पूरी तरह से तहस महस कर दिया है क्लीन मैक्स ने. 2.4 10 पे 4. लीप टाइटंस. What a brilliant work there by Abhishek. Good caught. क्या बात है अभिषेक जी. Prem Kumar coming at number 6. पटकी हुई गेंद. Umpire signal directly over the head went, and that's been given as a wide. And also 1 bounce. Signal. That's a peach of a delivery. Good bowling by the batsman, Atish. But went for wide. 11 पे 4 है score फिलहाल. Prem Kumar and Balakrishnan. Let's see. Still the match is not over. हल्के से यहाँ पे ढकेल दिया. 1 रन चुरा लिया है. अब they will get a single. They will rotate the strike instead of hitting boundaries. Because of this, they lost a couple of wickets at the deep region. मात्र 4 रन दिए हैं. 2 विकेट लेने में कामयाब हुए आतिश. इस ओवर के आखिरी गेंद करेंगे. Is that inside edge? Lucky there, and single taken to end of the over. 3 was gone as 13 for 4. Leap Titans. Let's see what clean max. सही शुरुआत की है. अच्छा निर्णय लिया टॉस जीतने के बाद. बॉलिंग का निर्णय यहां पर कैप्टन चतुर्वेदी जी ने कमाल कर दिया है. बैटिंग पावर प्ले सिग्नल. 1 fielder allowed at the boundary line. अब देखना होगा क्या टीम लीप टाइटंस कम बैक करेगी इस मैच में? प्रेम कुमार एंड बालाकृष्णन. The story is not over. The chapter is still to end. And let's see. Need to swing straight to get maximum runs. And they have the bowling change. The new bowling attack, Kaushlendra Singh. That's played. Oh, that's stopped. And oh, that's direct hit and gone. No need to go upstairs. And Mr. Deva umpire signaling that out. Direct hit on the non-striker end. One more wicket fall. Leap Titans losing the momentum. Superb effort. Good fielding. Excellent work. That was heading for the appreciation, but the fielder just froze the market. 3.2 पे 5. संकट में है लीप टाइटंस. Who will be the savior? Oh, very close to the stumps. Excellent bowling. Yet another excellent delivery. Just going, passing very close to the stumps. 13 पे 5. Direct hit could be the chance. Lucky their batter. Could be that one more wicket. And this is what we've seen in every international cricket, local match cricket. Left hand batsman, they pressure the right hand batter. Yes, what we call now, and that's gone. Clean bowled. Timber shattered, dreams scattered. छठे wicket की पतन. This is absolutely fabulous performance by Clean Max. 3.5 14 पे 6. Leap Titans. Good bowling performance by every bowler here. It's a perfect demolition job is doing by Clean Max team right now. So hello and welcome back once again to the Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 Day 4 is on. The first match, absolutely good performance from Crest Digital. And now we have one more match in progress. Okay, game on. That's Bol Fuller. Flicked away. Good fielding. That's square leg. So one more good over from Clean Max. Only 2 runs conceded, 1 wicket. 4 ओवर के बाद 15 पे 6 लीप टाइटंस. Let's see, 3 over left in the first innings and Leap Titans struggling bit of momentum. Yes, that the only option that they can rotate the strike with the singles. Prem Kumar and new batter Kalyana Sundaram joining with Prem Kumar. That's connected well, high in the air and taken. Looking for one more big connect, but an easy catch for the fielder. Yet another wicket fall of Leap Titans. Looking for one more big hit, but is not got proper elevation to play that. Good catch again by Abhishek. 4.2, 16 पे 7 Leap Titans. Rahul Matre 1.24 for 2, excellent bowling. Santa Kumar. Looking to flick, and what happened there? Maybe a slight touch on his leg. The ball contacted. No runs. Yet another dot ball. 4.3, 16 पे 7. That's played at square leg. Good stop. With that single, 17 for 7. Kalyana Sundaram on strike. Oh, that's clever and excellent bowling. It's giving no room, no chance. Perfect line and length. He reminds me a bit of Munaf Patel type of bowling. One of the fantastic bowler of Indian cricket, former Indian cricketer. That's hit hard. There's a fielder in deep. Very good stop. She's having a good job there. Excellent performance. 5 over 18 पे 7. Excellent fielding performance by Anupama there. 5 over 18 पे 7 Leap Titans. सांता कुमार एंड कल्याण सुंदरम. लेट्स सी, इनके ऊपर है पारी, अब निर्भर है. Coming up last 2 overs of the first innings. So bowling at the middle of the stumps. Excellent bowling. Atish once again bowling his second over. And this is a what quality of clean max bowling attack. 18 पे 7 Leap Titans. Still, they have a chance to get at least 30 if 35 on the board. Let's see. Looking to connect, that's a bit of tossed up delivery. Looking to play across the line and didn't get that connection to hit. Yet another dot ball. That's played a good stop at the square leg. Direct hit could be the chance. Oh, what's the umpire's call there? Yes, yes. Direct hit and gone. One more wicket fall here. रफ्तार तेज फील्डर पूरी तरह से निशाना लगाते हुए और ये देखिए एक्शन रिप्ले is having only one stump at the view at the square leg and yes stumps को तोड़ दिया है. Good throw by Amit there from square leg. It's 18 for 8 down. Leap Titans after 5.3. Great performance, clean max team. पूरी तरह से फील्डिंग में तहस महस कर दिया है. 18 for 8. So Manish, clean max, it's like 2 matches, 2 wins. And they're playing the third. And what a performance from clean max. Going back foot and playing a single at point. Easy single. 19 for 8. Raj Kumar off the mark with a single straight away. Short cover fielder, very short for the catching position. Oh, that's very good bowling into the block hole. That's clever once again. Atish. Here we have a look. A bowling that Yorker won. Only 6 runs in his 11 balls. 1.56 for 2 Atish. And 5.5, 19 for 8 last ball of the 6th over. Coming up. That's played. Only a single, they will get a declare zone. That's end of the over. 6 overs gone. It's 20 for 8. Leap Titans. Talking about the bowling, Rahul Matre 2 over 6 for 2. Akash 1 over 5 for no wicket. Atish 2 over 7 for 2. And we have Kaushal Kaushlendra Singh 1 over 2 for 1. We have a new bowler now. Lydia joining the party. जगह बनाए उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. 1 bounce with the fielder at long on. Just a single. So जितने runs आएंगे यहाँ पर कोशिश करेंगे Leap Titans maximum. This is a chance in this over. They will try to connect for a big one. Raj Kumar on strike. Looking to swing and good work by the skipper. Mr. Chaturvedi there, but umpire has no signal. Oh, that's the expertise of the umpire. That's no doubt. Just inside the crease, back in time. 4 गेंद बचे हैं. 21 पे 8 Leap Titans. Good bowling from Lydia. Oh, chance for the catch is looking to play on side. यहाँ पर कैच का सपना टूटा लेकिन रनआउट का सपना नहीं टूटा है. क्या ये आउट है? Here we have a look. Yes, Bale's gone, direct hit. क्या बात है? 21 for 9. Pratap Singh, Kaushalendra Pratap Singh. 21 for 9. Last batter coming up. Nivea comes down to the center. The last batter. And they having the attacking field set up for her. 3 गेंद है बाकी, देखना होगा कितने रन्स और जुड़ते हैं स्कोर बोर्ड पर. कितने रन जुड़ेंगे? Lydia to Nivea. A bit of rhyming word for both. Looking to swing and miss. Last 2 balls. Oh, that's very simple, and 21 पे पारी सिमट गई है यहाँ पर लीप टाइटंस. Absolutely good performance. क्लीन मैक्स ने टॉस जीता था, पहले फील्डिंग का निर्णय लिया और सही निर्णय लिया है बाय कैप्टन पौरुष चतुर्वेदी. 21 पर पारी सिमट गई. मात्र 22 रन की जरूरत है अब 7 ओवर में. Here we can have a big screen look. Only 1 extra given. क्या बात है? Only 1 extra. Great performance. And for the next match, toss Kabos over to Manish.
May I request the captains of both the teams to please join us at the presentation. May I request the captain of Team Bam Blasters to please join us. All right, so moving on to the next match, ladies and gentlemen, with Bam Blasters versus Crest Chargers, Crest Digital, right? Yeah. And to do the toss, to do the honors, may I request Shraddha to please join us from Team Leela Legends. Okay. So who'll give the call? Ashwini sir, yeah? Tails is the call, and Tails it is. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We'd like to bat first.
You like to bat first? Any specific strategies behind?
So in the last match also we have batted first. Though we lost the toss, but we have put up a good score on the board. So I think we can defend our total whatever we put on the board.
But you know what? Bam Blasters are back in their form. They've played some good cricket yesterday. So you're gonna be having a tough challenge here.
So best team will win.
Are kya baat hai. Thank you so much. So unfortunately you didn't manage to win the toss, but agar aap jeete to kya lete?
We were looking to chase as well, so happy to have lost the toss. But yeah, should be a good encounter. I think Crest is a very good side, and more importantly, we are just going to have fun and may the best team win.
Of course, I forgot to ask you about the yesterday's game, yesterday's event that you guys been through. How was it?
Honestly, it was a nail biter, but we had people who rose to the occasion and displayed very good character. So we are just expecting similar performance from the team.
Cool. Looking forward for some good game. Thank you so much. All the best. All the best, gentlemen. Thank you. Let's go ahead. We've got Team Leap Titans and Clean Max Hybrid. Maza aane wala hai.
Thank you very much, Manish. So just a 22 target to chase for Clean Max. So once again, welcome back to all the viewers and spectators. Brookfield Premier League 2025 सीजन 5 डे 4 है जारी. सारे क्रिकेटर्स लग रहे हैं लय भारी. We have the opening pair, Ratik and Atish. And Elango will start the proceedings. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, game on. No ball signaled by the umpire straight away by Mr. Jitendra. That's a height no ball. पटकी हुई गेंद और फ्री हिट. मौका है रतीक को एक बड़ा हिट मारने का इन फ्री हिट. उठा दिया है आउटसाइड एज. कनेक्शन नहीं मिला. एक रन चुराया है. So not a big task for Clean Max. This is 22 to chase, but still let's see if Elango is one of the fantastic spectator, indeed a contender of the previous season. And let's see what his expertise will show the pressure on Clean Max. That's gone high in the air. One bounce for the fielder. They're going for second. Direct hit of the non-striker end could be the chance. Excellent presence of mind for the both the batters, Atish and Ratik. तेज रफ्तार. 2 रन यहां पर बटोर लिए है. 40 गेंद बचे, 18 रन की जरूरत. देखना होगा जितना जल्दी टारगेट चेस करेंगे उतना नेट रन रेट में आपको मदद होगी. Down the leg side now. Bowler on pressure. That's no ball signal by the umpire. And coming up one more free hit. That's signal of free hit. 2 गेंद 5 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Let's see, free hit ball. Trying to bowl the fuller one, but going down the leg side. Went for wide, the free hit. सिलसिला रहेगा जारी. Changing the side. Coming over the wicket from around the wicket now. That's one bounce and good stop. The fielder have tough task from long on to long off to stop that boundary. 3 गेंद 7 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. दमदार शुरुआत by Clean Max. Oh, chance there. Good fielding, good throw, but तेज रफ्तार से यहाँ पर रन. आतिश और रतीक दोनों बहुत ही तेज, सबसे तेज. That's gone high in the air. Fielder is underneath, and oh, what happened there? Catch छूटा, सपना टूटा. That's gone again. Luck in the favor of Clean Max today. 5 गेंद 10 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. इस ओवर के आखिरी गेंद करेंगे Elango. That's gone high in the air. A bit of misjudgment to take that. Is that single run taken only? और 2 runs taken. अरे हम सिंगल की बात करें पर क्लीन मैक्स बोल रहे हम तो तेज है. 2 रन लेंगे, 1 रन नहीं. Turning inquiry into sales once again. 1 was gone, 12 for no loss. Clean max. 10 रन की दरकार, मात्र 10 रन, 36 गेंद बचे.
Well, it's once again a very important announcement for all the players across. A very important announcement. May I please have the attention of all the captains and all the players, everybody, all the internal team also. It's a humble request. Please do not carry any of the edibles or beverage from the FNB section to the turf. We've got a dedicated FNB area. I request you all to please come and have it here. Thank you. Continue for the match.
Trying to stop in the follow through there. So only 9 to get. It just took a matter of 2 big hits, 2 boundaries to get the match winning ticket for Clean Max. Will be the back-to-back 3 wins for there. That's gone very much high into the sky. Will get only 1 run. So just 8 to get for Clean Max team to get the target of chase of 22. Second match in progress of Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5. Day 4 is on. चौथा दिन का सफर है जारी. That's gone high in the air. Oh, he's dropped it. And that throw and one more. What's happening there? What is happening there? Umpire referred to the third umpire. Referred by Mr. Deva, sir. But no pressure on Clean Max. Wicket यहाँ पर गिरा है, लेकिन 8 run, only 8 runs needed. And let's see how many runs in this ball. Waiting for the confirmation from the third umpire. So just 8 needed. And coming up the next match, we have once again Crest Digital will taking up with Bam Blasters. So both the teams strong contender, and that's out. That's run out given. 14 is that. We'll wait for the scorer to update. So that's 14 for 1. Rajkumar. Seven to get from 33 balls. Oh, is that taken? Wow, what a catch. One more wicket fall. Yes, umpire signaling that out. हाथ में चिपक गई गेंद, दूसरे विकेट की पतन. 7 runs to get, but still the hope is on. क्या कुछ जादू चमत्कार होगा from Leap Titans? So they lost back-to-back 2 wickets. It's 15 for 2 after 1.4. Or it's 14 for 2 or Just a gentle push at point and chance for the run out there, but safe. Yeah, we have Darshan 2 15 for 2. That's good stop in the follow through. Well, that's a correction. 2.1, 16 for 2 on the board. Looking to swing and miss. So matter of only a one big hit and that's it. 6 रन चाहिए क्लीन मैक्स को इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. Oh, that's good bowling. Alango, the hero of the previous season. Still the effort is on from Leap Titans. यहाँ पर जगह बनाई है, उड़ा दिया है हवा में, गेंद 1 बाउंस. फील्डर ने रोक दिया है at cow corner. Only a single. Only 5 to get from 26 balls. Anupama, fantastic fielding at square leg mid wicket region today. And that's very good bowling end of the over. Anupama, she tried to swing but straight to the bowler. 3 ओवर के बाद 18 पे 2 मात्र 4 रन की दरकार. Clean max, just one big hit. And that's it. Rahul on strike. Into the block hole, very good bowling. They have a strong bowling attack. Namuttu Vijay. Maybe next match they will come with some strong strategy. Leap Titans. That's played square leg region. Only a single. Just 3 runs to get. So that's very good bowling. She thought that ball going outside the leg side, but no. That went for dot ball. Oh, the bails was not off. There's a bit of light, but it was not off. So Anupama, that's we have the 6 runs of 6 balls for the female athlete in this tournament. They have a license of 6 ball to play. If they play all 6 balls, if they score the run, they will get counted as double, but she didn't score. The score remains 19 for 2. Only 3 runs to get. Very good over from Mathu Vijay. In fact, only 1 run conceded. That's hit hard as field is standing at deep. Only a single. 2 runs needed. 4 over 20 पे 2 clean max. That's down the leg side. Only 1 run needed now. The scores are level. So Manish, clean max. They're going for the 3rd win back to back. And yes, that's a victory. Is that 1 run? Yes. Conclusion, क्लीन मैक्स ने इस मैच को जीत लिया आसानी से 8 विकेट से. Congratulations, 3 in a trot and easy comfortable win, but good performance in the bowling also by Elango and Muthu Vijay. They show some their expertise in the bowling, and Anupama also, she really done a good job in the fielding. And over to Manish for the Player of the Match award.